discuss about the names of different kinds of reptiles. Lizard, lizard. Turtle, turtle. Crocodile, crocodile. Chameleon, chameleon. Iguana, iguana. Tortoise, tortoise. Alligator, alligator. Snake, snake. Gecko, gecko. And lastly, Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of reptiles. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.